Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Sandals Resorts announced a US $200 million investment in 3 of its Jamaican resorts: Sandals Montego Bay, Sandals Royal Caribbean, and Sandals South Coast. Following Hurricane Melissa last fall, Sandals Resorts reopened 5 of its 8 Jamaica properties in December, with Sandals Montego Bay, Sandals Royal Caribbean, and Sandals South Coast remaining closed for assessment. As a result, Sandals South Coast will reopen on November 18, 2026, followed by both Sandals Royal Caribbean and Sandals Montego Bay on December 18, 2026. This reimagining of the properties will unfold across many aspects of the guest experience, from striking new arrival moments overlooking the Caribbean Sea to new accommodation categories, redesigned pools, and refreshed lounge and social spaces. Culinary offerings will also expand with the introduction of new dining concepts and bar experiences across each resort. The Financial Services Commission, FSC, says there were 17 registered insurance companies in the country as at the end of September last year. The Commission revealed that these included 6 life insurance companies and 11 general insurance companies. The Financial Services Commission is reporting that for the life insurance sector, profits before taxes rose by 29% for the 9-month period ending September 30, 2025. The total assets of the sector climbed by 9.5%, or 53 billion Jamaican dollars, to 614 billion Jamaican dollars in September of last year when compared with September of 2024. The value of the assets invested by the sector in general rose by 6.7%. For the trading period of March 19, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Woodcats International Limited with 17,780,637 units, representing 49.03% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,695,694 units, representing 7.43% of market sales activities. Wigton Energy Limited shares with 2,361,727 units, representing 6.51% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution, investment, and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 19, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.66 and buying at $156.60. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $5.44 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.39 and was bought for $116.83. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.57 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $210.96 and was bought for $212.53. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, a strong credit report is a critical financial tool during periods of rising prices and economic uncertainty, as it directly impacts your ability to access affordable capital and maintain flexibility. By lowering borrowing costs and expanding financing options, good credit enables individuals to manage cash flow effectively while positioning themselves to invest in income-generating assets. Rather than being used only for consumption, credit, when managed with discipline, can support long-term financial stability and growth. In our funded and focused journey, on the path to raising funds and earning more money for your business, compliance is one of the least fun but most important aspects of business life, and artificial intelligence can be of great assistance. And the truth is that compliance is the part of business that most entrepreneurs ignore until it's too late. A lapsed business registration, missing tax filing, or incomplete corporate structure can disqualify you from a grant, a loan, or government contract instantly. In the space of artificial intelligence, Claude.ai can help you build a compliance calendar specific to your business type and jurisdiction, whether Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, etc. It can draft letters to the company's office or tax administration office. It can understand what documentation banks and grant bodies actually require and prepare you for audits by reviewing your records and identifying gaps before someone else does. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.